Hey folks, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be taking a look at a new feature in Google AI Studio, the ability to ground prompts in Google search. This feature enables you to enrich responses with real-time, reliable, and relevant information directly from search results. So what is prompt grounding? Grounding is the process of making AI responses more accurate by connecting them to an external data source. With Google AI Studio's new update, you can ground prompts in Google Search, which means your prompts can pull in live data, delivering answers that are up to date and tailored to what's actually trending or relevant at the moment. Now, why use grounding? You can use grounding so you can access real-time information, provide accurate contextual responses, you'll have more richer information and enhance AI interaction quality. Enabling grounding in Google AI Studio is straightforward. Just go to your Google AI Studio and click on create a new prompt. If you scroll down here on the right, you can see now there is grounding responses in Google search. So you can just enable that. Now that we have enabled grounding in Google AI Studio, let's just use a new feature in AI Studio called compare. If you don't know what the compare feature in Google AI Studio is, I've already created a YouTube tutorial on that. I'll be leaving that link in the description. You can check that out. And you can use that compare feature to basically use two different Gemini models side by side and compare their performance based on response time, the contents, and more. In this example, I'm going to be telling Gemini to give me the latest innovations in AI, but on the left side, I'm going to be enabling grounding, but on the right side, I'm going to be not selecting grounding so that we can see the difference between the grounded response and the ungrounded one. And I'm going to be going ahead and clicking on run, and let's just see the response. Notice how the grounded prompt provides recent and specific updates, while the ungrounded one might have general information that could be outdated. So I'm going to be asking Gemini to tell me the latest news in Mumbai. And I'm going to click on run. Here you can see you can now use the grounding in Google AI Studio for keeping up with recent developments, where you can get news updates, and it has given me a live news update of what has happened in the city of Mumbai today. And on the other hand, the ungrounded one has made it clear that it doesn't have access to real-time information and it cannot provide me information. So grounding is ideal for prompts where factual accuracy, current trends, or real-time information matters. Keep in mind that grounding may not be necessary for every prompt. For timeless or general information, leaving grounding off can actually speed up the response time. So that's a wrap around grounding in Google AI Studio with Google Search. With grounding, you can generate richer, more up-to-date and contextually relevant responses. Try it out, experiment with various prompts, and see how grounding can improve your AI interactions. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, and for more content, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one.